Today I'm going to show you how to install and use Google Earth in your Android phone. So for that you have to go to the Play Store, click on the Play Store and you have to type Google Earth on the search bar. So here I am typing Google Earth, and if you click on the Google Earth here, so you will see an app which display on the screen. You can click on that and then you can click on install. So it will take a while to download this app in your Android phone. So after it complete installing, so you have to click on open. Click on that and you will open up the Google Earth app on your Android phone. So now you can explore the Google Earth. So now I'm going to show you different features of Google Earth which you can use. You can search for any place on Google Earth. You just have to click on this lens button on the top left. And for example, if you want to search the name of any country, you just have to type the country's name and it will show you in the suggestions. You have to click on like France here and it will show you the location of France in this global map. So this is a red boundary which you are looking at is France, the location of France in this global map here. And if you want to see more places in France, for example, if you want to explore a city here, you can type the name of the city. Let's go for Paris. And here you can see I have clicked on the Paris and it will take me to the city Paris in France. So in this way you can explore different places. So let's go for another example here. Here I'm typing New York. Let's go to the New York, USA, and it will automatically go to that location and it will show me the boundary of the New York City. So now for example, if you want to explore further into this city, you can type anything, any place in New York. Let's go for the Central Park, New York, USA. Click on that and it will take you to the Central Park of New York. So in this way you can search different places on Google Earth. Let's zoom out and now you can also use different features in Google Earth. So there are many features here. They are clean, which means the Google Earth will not show you any country borders, places, labels and roads. The second option is exploration. Here you will find all the borders, labels, places and roads on the Google map. And here's one more option, everything. It will show you everything on Google Earth like borders, labels, places, roads, public transportation, landmarks and water. And if you go to the custom, here you can choose your own features which you want to see in the Google Earth. So I will going to explain each of these features here and then I will explain the additional layers in the later part of this video. So let's first of all go for the exploration. Here you will see the borders, labels, places and roads. So for example, I have already tick marked this layer, and if you go back, you will see it will display the roads. First of all, it will display the name of the country, and after that it will start displaying the name of the cities and towns in that country, and after that it will also display the roads of that country which you can select in this exploration. Now I'm going to select the everything option. Here you will see the landmarks, water, transportation and the roads and places and everything. So it will go more in detail, and now you can also see the road names and national parks and everything. It will so show you everything in this Google Earth app. So if you choose, you can also choose your own custom features. You have to click on this custom here and you can choose any layers you want to see on your map. For example, if you don't want to see any landmarks, you can untick this option. or you can also untick water if you do not want to see that feature. Or in the public transportation, you can, if you don't want to see the stations and terminals and stops, you can untick this option, and if you want to see that, you can again tick that option. And in the roads, you can also tick and untick the roads, and in this way you can tick and untick your own features depending on your preferences. So here's one more option which I have not discussed yet. It's the clean feature in this layer. So basically, if you choose this feature here, it will not show you any borders, labels, places, and roads. Let's try that feature, and here you can see it will not display the names of the countries or any roads. Even if you go deeper to that country or location, it will not display anything. So here you can choose different layers in Google Earth. So there's also one more option, additional layers option here, you can see here. And now I'm going to explain this additional layers. So the first thing is that 3D buildings. So if you turn on this feature, can also see the 3D buildings here. For example, let's go to the New York here. And if you go deeper to that city, let's go to that downtown area so that you can see better. If you zoom into that location, and if you slide with your two fingers, you can see, you can also have the 3D view of that location. You can also see the city in the 3D format. Or you can rotate around this place to see the city from different angles. It will take a while to load this page, but in this way you get the idea that you can also see the cities in the 3D format. And if you slide back, it will show you the cities in the 2D, two-dimensional. And here you can choose the layers. Let's go for the other layers here. So you can also select the time lapse. It will take you go back in time in Google Earth. So you can also choose that feature. Or there's a cool feature in Google Earth, explore photos around the world. You can also go for this photos feature here. So if you select that feature, it will show you the photos of different places on Earth. For example, in this New York City, you can choose any photo that you want to see. Let's go for this one. Click on that photo and it will display you the photos here. You can also click on the side arrow to see more photos of that location. So in this way, you can see different photos of every place on this Earth. You can also go to the UK map and it will show you the photos of different cities in UK. For example, if you selected London, let's search on the bar London. Let's go to London. It will show the location of London. And here you can see you can explore different photos of different places of the city. So in this way, you can explore this photos feature. You can also turn on the grid lines. It will show you the latitude and longitude lines on the global map. So for example, I'm selecting this option. It will show you the Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic Circle. So basically it will show you the grid lines of Google Earth. And if you zoom in, you will see more of these grid lines. So this is also a cool feature. You can turn it off if you want. So these are the layers that you can explore. And if you want to see the street view of different places, you can have to click on this button here. Click on that. Now you can click on a highlighted street to enter street view. You can also see the street view of that place. For example, let's search any place here. Let's go for Manchester. And if you click on Manchester, it will take you to the Manchester city. And here you can zoom in a little bit. And if you click on this option here, you will see the street view. And if you further click on these blue lines, it will show you around to that place. So in this way, you can explore different places in that city with the help of this street view option. So guys, in the next video, I will show you how to create a path and polygon in Google Earth. So do not miss that video.